Automotive?
Okay, automotive. So that was playtime. This is driving time. Okay.
Automotive customer came to us and gave us this mechanical switch, overhead console.
Okay.
3 years later, they asked us, by the way, to replace this, cut down on weight, size. 3 years later, we came up with this, which basically is 14 layers of an ink printed on 20 mil polycarbonate. The claim to fame with this, which is what made it possible, is that you can take this product and you can thermoform it. So this is formed and trimmed, and as you look at it, you'll see there's a tremendous amount of stretch to the conductive inks here. And the key to making a switch work is to have continuity and still maintain low resistance, right? So our inks will stretch up to 500% elongation, and then you can form it.
And it'll maintain the same properties.
Continuity and maintain the same properties, and then you can mold it so you can make a hard piece. This piece is actually in the Ford Fusion 2013 this year.
Cool.
They made about 250,000 pieces of this.
Nice.
It also can find its way into white goods. I'm not going to turn this around.
Into what?
This is white goods. This would be on a washing machine, or a dishwasher or a dryer.
So then these are buttons on the other side?
Yes, but I just can't,
sure, no
can't
problem.
show you the name of the customer on it.
Okay.
Right? But all this is exactly the same printing that we talked about with the high elongation inks.
And in the previous versions of these washers, they probably had hardened circuit boards.
That's right. They had FR4 boards in the back, capacitance, and again, this is all capacitance switching.
Interesting. Okay, so can I just get a close-up on these then? So do you do all the manufacturing then too? Because I imagine the process to lay it down.
No, we work with supply chain for our customers because the volumes are so large that we have to work with existing supply chain.
And the design though, then the design of the layering, that's highly specialized.
We take care of all the design, the invention, the patenting, and we work with supply chain of our customers and train them as to how to print this and put it into their production.
So piece by piece or design by design, there's a patent usually that's applied, an additional patenting process between you and the company that wants the product?
No. We have a master patent that will cover the ability to make a capacitance switch in molded, right, inks that stretch, and also one of the claims is the ability to have an in-mold connector. So that you can take this connector, put it in the injection molding machine, and there's a Z-axis ink underneath here, and as this gets pushed in contact with that, and then the injection molding takes place, the molten PC hardens, it pushes the connector against the Z-axis ink.
Wow.
So it's a sandwich. So it replaces having to solder or use conductive epoxies.
Wow. Awesome.